guys, I know I look crazy per usual, but I was about to dye my hair and get my hair ready for it. So I've had this hair for a little bit. I got it from Tinashe Hair. I purchased it with my own money. I saw it on sale on Instagram or Facebook or something like that, and it was on sale for a really, really good price. And I've seen a lot of people on YouTube review their hair, so I decided to give it a try. So we're gonna do the unboxing. So it came through good old FedEx. So I haven't even opened, I just opened the package. And then the first thing that I see is this beautiful satin pouch, and I love this. And if y'all know, I like pink. So in here you get a bonnet, which I wish it would have been pink. I don't really like this color, but you could always use a good bonnet. Also, you get some wig caps, which I needed. What else you get in here? You get a pamphlet about Tinashe Hair and their Instagram and Facebook details. And in here is just how to, if you want to start your own hair brand, that you can go through them, and it tells you all the good tips and tricks. So here's all their information just in case you want to learn about Tinashe Hair. And then also I got some lashes, and these are the lashes, and they're actually pretty cute. They're a little bit more dramatic than I usually wear, but they're still cute. And it's funny because I just bought this from Amazon, like the silk wraps, because I needed one, and they sent me theirs, and it's pink. So I'm about to cancel that Amazon one, but it's always good to have backups. I wonder if it's just one. It's just one long one. The box is super cute. This is what the front of the box looks like. And then this is the back with all the information. So yeah, I purchased this with my own money. So let's see. So it's regular inside. Like, I thought it would have been fancier. Like, all that's fancy, but I thought inside the box it's literally just the wig in here. But hey, this is the hair, and I don't even remember what the details of this hair is. I know it's straight. Oh, it's right here. It's a 6x6 closure wig in a natural color, straight, and 24 inches. And this is what the wig looks like. And it comes in a protective net. And this is what it looks like. It feels super silky. And it has the same usual, like every wig, 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and 1 comb in the middle. So just your typical. Let's see, here's an up close of the lace. The knots are not bleached, so I'm gonna have to go in and bleach the knots. And I think I want to color this hair. I want to make this hair red, so I'm about to do that now. I'm probably gonna bleach the knots first and then color it. But the hair is super soft and everything, and I think this is a 150 density. I believe it's 150 density. So yeah, this is the wig. And then I'm gonna color my hair. I'm gonna use the same method. I just did a video on how to color the hair, so I'll leave it right here or right here, wherever it goes. But I'm going to use the same thing I use. I'm gonna use the high color highlights from L'Oreal, and these are what the boxes looks like. We're in my local beauty supply store for $5.49. I got 2 colors, 2 of each color, so I have 4 altogether. I got 2 of the red color, and I got 2 of the magenta color, because I didn't want it to be too bright, but I wanted it bright at the same time. So I thought if I mixed the 2, it would be a good combination. So I got these 4. So I'm gonna link the video to how I did my last install, and I'll see if I film it for this video. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna come back probably tomorrow when everything is done and show you how I install it and make it look pretty. So I'll see you then.